Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the final part of my Adventures in Stockholm series. Yes, my adventures in Stockholm came to the end. It has been a nice time. Very interesting adventures. And in this video I will tell you what I have liked the most from my adventures, which places I recommend to visit. I will share my emotions and thoughts about this wonderful journey. So, prepare the coffee, tea or what you like to drink, grab some snacks and let me share my reflections of these adventures in Stockholm. Of course, the first place you should visit in Stockholm is GAMLA or Stockholm's Old Town. This is the main tourist attraction. I would say that all GAMLA is one big sightseeing object. But there are a lot of things to do and see in GAMLA. You can take a walk through its small and beautiful streets. You can visit some museums. If you are lucky, you could see army orchestra playing some music. If you are visiting Stockholm during December and it's almost Christmas time, you can take a walk to GAMLA and check Christmas market, where you can buy some Stockholm souvenirs, buy some Scandinavian food, some Scandinavian delicacies, or just taste usual hot dog and drink hot wine. I was walking in GAMLA during December, wanted to see beautiful Christmas decorations and Christmas lights.
Yeah, today I decided to make a short walk in GAMLA, Stockholm's Old Town. Let's see if they have some Christmas decorations in the Old Town, and I hope to find the Christmas market as well. As you see, the snow is melting, and this is Västerlånggatan, this street. So far I do not see a lot of Christmas decorations, but there are quite a lot in the city. I hope it's the same for GAMLA.
Unfortunately, there were not so much decoration at this time, but they have some nice Christmas souvenirs, and you had the Christmas feeling anyway. And also in December they had nice Christmas market, as I already told. But the prices were quite high, but hot dogs and hot wine were for affordable price.
Yeah, there are a lot of people in this town square. Some hot wine, Glühwein.
Anyway, it was nice taking a walk in Old Town and then go to the center where they already had some Christmas lights. And actually they had very wonderful Christmas lights and decoration in the town.
Yeah, it's very crowded there. A lot of people. Really hard to film something. And the Christmas tree with not so much Christmas decorations in it. Yeah, I was hoping it would be more interesting, but maybe it's not yet the right time for a lot of Christmas activities in Old Town. Maybe in late December, before the Christmas, they will have more interesting things there, but not now. Yeah, anyway, I'm having a walk in Old Town. I will have a walk on a main tourist street there. Yeah, while I've visited the science fiction bookshop, it became darker, as you can see. Yeah, and actually this bookshop is very, very expensive, to be honest. Like, I wanted to buy the second part of Dune graphic novel, and the book costs almost 26 euros, and actually I can order it through Amazon much cheaper. Yeah, and there are some calendars for the next year, like Star Wars calendar, Mandalorian, Star Trek, Stranger Things, and they cost around 12 euro. Not sure if the same price on Amazon, but anyway, I consider this too expensive. So I'm continuing my walk in GAMLA. I like to walk in the city during evening when there are a lot of lights. It's really nice to feel this evening city vibes, night city vibes.
Also in December they had Christmas Lights Week and special light walk paths. In Swedish they call it Julbelysning and Ljuspromenad. Also this year at the same time they had Nobel Week Lights Festival. It was very nice and cool adventure. On my channel I have separate video about Christmas lights and Nobel Lights Festival. Please check it. What else I liked the most during my adventures, and what can I recommend you to visit? Of course you should go to ÖSTERMALM. There were great panoramic views available from ÖSTERMALM location. Two main locations to take breathtaking pictures or videos are BRUNNSVIKEN and Fjällgatan. I also liked district ÖSTERMALM. It has nice architecture and beautiful walking paths, where you can find some museums like History Museum, theaters. There is also Army Museum. I didn't manage to go inside, although I think the entrance was for free. But I was lucky and met Army Orchestra one more time. Next destination for you to visit if you are traveling to Stockholm is Djurgården. I would say that after GAMLA it should be the next must-see place. Why? The answer is simple. There are a lot of museums: Nordic Museum, Vasa Museum, ABBA Museum, the Viking Museum, and some others. The oldest open-air museum in the world, Skansen, is also located there. Or you can just take a nice walk and do some hiking in beautiful Djurgården's park. You can have some picnic there. Really nice and beautiful place. I had a walk there during autumn and then in late November, when there was a hard snowfall. Make sure to watch my previous video about Djurgården. And of course I would like to mention my adventure around BRUNNSVIKEN lake. It is located near district Solna. It was so nice and I had so many positive emotions. Is there other places worth to visit? Of course, definitely. There are a lot of other different museums for you to visit. You can visit Globen Skyview and take a ride on a glass gondola to the top of big hemispherical building and enjoy breathtaking view to Stockholm from the top. I haven't visited this place this time, but maybe next. I also wanted to go to Nynäshamn. Nynäshamn is a small town in Stockholm County. Very beautiful and a lot of things to see there. Let's see what Stockholm's tourist webpage can say about this town. It is said that Nynäshamn is the only place in Stockholm County where you can see the sea horizon from the mainland. You can take a boat trip to the island Notaro, Rono and Olo, but the best time to visit it is during summer, I think. Actually, I was there some years ago, and also I was at Vaxholm, another small town which is located on an island in Stockholm's archipelago. Not sure how it looks during autumn, winter, but definitely you should visit it if you are going to visit Sweden during summer. Even though I've been there and even had a wonderful boat trip to the island of Notaro, I want to visit these places again. Hopefully next time then I will be in Sweden. Therefore, it's not goodbye Stockholm, but instead till we meet again. Jag säger inte hej då, men vi ses igen.